everyone. Today I am making video for students of class 10. One of the lengthy chapter it is. The name of the chapter is Making of a Scientist. This chapter tells us that nothing is impossible if there is a sense of curiosity. Curiosity and commitment to know more can bring about a miracle in life. The same thing happens. Here we find that a solitary boy, only one child of his parents, he has a very rare curiosity. He has all the ingredients required to be a great man in life. And this boy, Richard H. Bright, displayed these qualities right from the beginning of his life. After the death of his father, his mother was the sole caretaker, and she has shaped, she has nourished, she has nurtured his interest in science. She was a very caring, she was a very committed mother, she was a very much, we can say, dedicated to the very task of making her son a successful person. We find that she often spends most of the time with her son. When he has nothing to play, she gives him some work, that work which requires not physical work, that requires brain. And she has encouraged her son by giving him telescope, macroscope, camera. And apart from this, the child was just, we can say that he was a collector of fossils, rocks, coins. These things he used to collect. And apart from those things, we find that most importantly, he had a great interest in butterflies. And this is the very field which we see children that has added the new glory to his life. He made a career as a biochemist. In biochemistry, he let his presence felt. So I am talking about Richard H. Bright, a well-known figure, a well-known name in the world of science. So here, without wasting any moment more discussing something, I would like to draw everyone's attention to the fact that I have decided to make two videos on this chapter, as in one video it will be very much difficult to discuss each and every part. First thing, the chapter gives us a great message that to achieve anything great in life, we are required to start with a small. If we are trying to reach any height, we have to take our failure not to be a disappointing one, not to be a setback. Rather, we have to take our failure to be a step to success. We have not to be discouraged. We have not to be disappointed. We have to refute the cruel hand of disappointment. It happens. We find that Richard H. Bright didn't reach pinnacle of success overnight. He faced so many difficulties, so many failures. But failures were not so strong that his enthusiasm for success, determination for success may be dampened, maybe minimized. And it is very great thing to know, because ingredients of success are determination, sincerity, hard work, and most importantly, a curiosity to know. So children, we find here that Richard H. Bright grew up in Reading. Reading is the place in Pennsylvania, in America. And in kindergarten, he has collected butterflies. While he was in kindergarten, he collected butterflies. Next point, his mother would take him on trips. मैंने आपको शुरू में बताया, his mother took him to trips. She wanted to encourage her child. She wanted to give her child a very nice track to follow, and it happened. She took him on. She took him on trip and bought him telescope, macroscope, mounting materials, and other materials required for learning. By the time he was in second grade, it is really very nice to know. While he was just in second grade, he had collected 25 species of butterflies. Those were found around his hometown. This What happened that once his mother gave him a book which opened the world of science for him, which opened the new, which has opened the new world of science. The boy, a curious child, became more and more focused, more and more attentive to his job. The name of the book was Travel of Monarch X. This book deals with what? This book deals with how monarch butterflies migrate to Central America. And in the end of the book, famous scientist Frederick Urquhart has given suggestion to the readers: kindly tag the butterflies, means certain stickers, we can say with adeshi we can stick it. He did it with a great enthusiasm, but very soon what we find that the catching of butterfly was becoming a bit tedious for him. So he was hit with an idea. What idea? That he took what? He took some eggs from the female monarch and took care of them in the life cycle of monarch. And very soon his basement was full of monarch butterfly with several stages of life. These things we find. Further point, what happened? That he has raised those butterflies in different through their life cycle. Next point comes here, that a real test of real science. Till now he used to think that science was just neat display. What happened? That this young boy participated in the county fair, and there he presented what? Slides of frog tissues with a great enthusiasm, with a great hope, with a great thinking that no, he will be bringing about drastic change in his life. With hope he has participated. There he had a realization that science is not just neat display. He is required to do something different. In that county fair, there were so many bright and brilliant students of science. They were great scientists who had presented different eye-catching and marvelous models. He did not receive any prize. But dear children, Richard H. Bright was not so weak that he could be discouraged. He took lesson from failure. This should be, हम लोग को जीवन में यह सोचना होगा, ये सच है कि आप लोग को असफलता से एक लेसन लेनी चाहिए, ना कि हम असफल हो गए और हम बहुत हतोत्साह होकर बैठ गए। रामधारी सिद्धिनकर ने कहा है ना कि सफलता के लिए कुछ हटकर सोचना होगा। असफलता डराती है किसको? जो कायर है। तो इन बातों को हम लोग देखते हैं यहाँ पे कि रिचर्ड एच ब्राइट इसको एक पॉजिटिव साइन मानकर उस नया काम करना शुरू कर देते हैं। एज ही वॉज वेरी मच skillful in butterflies, so he presented experiments, some experiments, and all the experiments, whatever experiments he undertook, you will be getting in my next video. In this video just we have discussed, and next video part 2 you will get all the experiments he has done, and you will get very soon. Please must watch this video, you will be benefited a lot. Just I am making next video very soon. Okay.